In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can automatically hide seen messages on Instagram. You can simply enable your red chat to automatically disappear in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. In the message section, select any chat you would like to automatically hide after reading and replying to their messages. On this chat page, tap right here next to their profile icon. On this page, you will have to select the option of privacy and safety. Enable this option on. All seen messages of this particular chat will disappear when you close the chat. This only works on selected accounts. Whenever they send you a message, if you open it and close the chat, it will automatically disappear. You can disable the feature at any time. That's how easy it is to automatically enable disappearing messages on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.